Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Our pre manufactured beams don't just lie there looking pretty, they work harder than that one friend who always volunteers to help you move. With earthquake resistance that would make tectonic plates jealous, and thermal insulation that keeps your toes as cozy as a cat in a sunbeam. Versatility that makes Swiss Army knives look one dimensional. Uneven surface, high water table, need to run cables, pipes, and enough underfloor heating to warm a penguin colony.